Well, he might say something. That might be good for the channel. He gonna try to catch up. What? Just gonna see if he gonna say something. Let me make sure. See, I told you, man. I already knew it, bro. Gonna get a lot more attention with this car, boy. They love it, man.
And you love the attention, Doreen. So
shit, I love this car. Ain't that right, YouTube? Yes, sir.
Wow, he was recording.
Ah! All right.
Literally every clip of my face, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the only one, babe. Shoot. 29 miles till we get to Chicago. We almost there, man. 1 more hour, 54 miles.
Say the full name of the contact you want to find.
Cancel.
Please try again.
Cancel.
Cancelled.
Alrighty. I don't know why I started slowing down for him, man. We still got somewhere to go. Hey, 2:16, let's go. We getting there somewhat earlier. Let's fucking go. We're supposed to be there at 2 p.m. So we still running a little bit behind on time, but we making good progress though, man. We almost there, bro. Of course. I was only not doing too much because I know you be.
Alright.
Oh man. Oh yeah, and I am still driving in normal mode, so comfort mode basically. Though I wasn't even in sport. Oh yeah, what did you want to eat when we get down there though?
I don't know yet.
You still want to go to that one place you talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh yeah, you didn't hear my dad last night, did you? He was talking about he knows somebody that detail too now. You asked me they got a fire somebody else. I know somebody that's a firefighter. He working my job. Good grief. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, my dad's a fool, y'all. My dad's a fool. Shit. What?
With your daddy. Your daddy, he said, what he said? He was like,
I'm still recording, just so you know. I'm still recording, so you know.
That's fine.
Okay.
I had told him that you was getting your brakes with your last car.
What'd he say?
He said, you don't like my guy? I told him I know why a couple of people.
Oh my gosh.
I said, what?
And the last time the dude did my brakes, he did a good job, but I think one of the brakes I had was defective though, so I had to get them replaced. But yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. My dad be trying to be secretive of his shit. He be trying to gatekeep the people he know. You know what I'm saying? he don't want to give you the information. He like, oh no, why you can't ask me? Why you can't ask me to talk to him for
He
you?
wants you to go through him.
Exactly, like you the middleman. We don't need a middleman.
Right.
Dang, why we can't talk to them directly? You not putting on the brakes.
You
Shit.
Damn. You think you are?
Good grief, he think he can do everything. He know everybody.
He trying to be Superman.
Good grief. And then you think he gonna drive my car? No. Heck no. I mean, I'm telling him we was asleep. I was like, you might as well get that out your head, man. You ain't about talking about calling when you get back so I can test drive it again. I won't. I said. I'm like, I took your granny said. I won't be calling. I won't be calling. Shit, be at the house sleep. Oh yeah, we made it back. Alright. Shit.
5 more minutes.
Shit, yeah. Hit your move on them. Yeah, alright. I'll holler at you. I'll fuck with you. Shit.
I'll fuck with you.
I'm not gonna be calling you, bro. Hell no.
Yes, he hella funny. The speed limit is 65, honey.
We gotta be there, babe.
Okay.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I would be greatly appreciated if we all can just pass the fucking truck.
Oh, look at him swaying and shit.
You feel me?
Yeah, let me ever get around him
Get
before
the
you.
fuck out of there.
Because your anxiety don't go up just by looking at him. You. Truck! Truck!
I fucking hate
Good grief. You see a truck, boy, your heart start ba-boom, ba-boom. Good grief. Damn.
No, for real.
God
You gotta
damn.
understand. You gotta understand. The fucking truck almost ran me off the fucking road. I was right here, and then it was slowly getting over. So ever since then, it's just weird. And I'm honking. Like, they just don't look when they, look. I mean, when they get over. What's funny?
I was just thinking about that dude because he got his wife and kids in the car and shit. So she looking back and he looking back.
Looking at me.
Kayla, they seen you before. You didn't see that video I showed you?
No, they didn't see me. They seen my
They did.
side.
They did see you.
They didn't see my face.
You don't remember that video I showed you, the short I uploaded?
I seen it. It
Yeah.
just, it wasn't my face in there. I don't
Okay.
want to be seen on the internet. Thank you.
Okay,
You
babe.
can crop all this shit out. But no,
Alrighty.
no.
All right.
Face to be seen.
Okay.
You can't respect my privacy.
Oh, babe, alrighty. I'm not going to show your face. Oh, yeah, I've got to drink some of my water. That's what I forgot to do.
That ain't your water. That was my water, and I just let you go $5 ass drink some.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Now, where is, get those water bottles back there. You put them back
I
there.
don't care.
Hey.
I'm comfortable. Leave me alone.
Damn.
Ed,
You gonna really do me like that?
just be thirsty. Drink your spit like my granny. You don't want
You better give me my water, goddammit. Shit.
Not I.
I'm gonna get you again.
All right, ticket.
They gonna let me slide. They gonna say, nice car. Try to slow it down. No problem, officer. I'm gonna say, no problem, officer.
Well, okay, be quiet, officer.
Hey. All right, Mickey.
Oh, so ah, you're Mickey.
If I'm Mickey, you Minnie Mouse.
No,
Yes.
Clarabelle. I like
Clarabelle? Fucking cow.
Yes,
Fucking
I
cow.
like Clarabelle. I mean Daisy. I like both of them. I just don't like Minnie because she's very self-centered.
Who?
Very self-centered.
Who is?
Minnie.
Oh. Well, she is Mickey's wife, so shit, it's kind of expected. You know what I'm saying? She at the top of the pedestal. You know, everybody want her position. She dating a famous dude. You know what I'm saying?
Closed.
What's closed?
Damn, you didn't see the rip? It says closed.
On the road? I mean, on the GPS? Oh, I didn't know what you were talking about then.
You don't see the
Man,
fucking
it's that
closed
Jeep.
sign over there?
Kayla, I am not looking at that. I'm trying to look forward. I'm trying to make sure I don't ram into nobody. You talking about closed?
You need to do the speed limit.
Kayla, I'm going 59.
I don't give a fuck what
Dang.
you're doing. Go slow.
Dang. Shit is
The speed limit is
55.
55.
Hey, I'm going 4 over. Well, what is it? 3 now. Shit.
You know, man.
Shut up.
You calm down with that hot ass breath.
Hey, I wasn't asleep. You was, bro. Mouth just droopy as water be.
No, I don't droop.
You was over there talking in your sleep. You was sleeping good, boy. Twisting and turning. I told you that already. I told you that. We was going to eat here.
I feel like you're telling that story.
No, you was definitely saying that, babe. You definitely was saying that. I think you were thinking about me because you was talking about, you told me something already. I said, what you tell me? But you was still asleep when I looked up. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, what you talking about? What you tell me already? What? Told you. I don't know why you thought you stopped. If you do it once, Kayla, you're always going to do it though.
No, you do it once, you know.
Please.
Having a little stress dream and stuff.
Oh, that didn't sound like a stress dream to me. You would have woke up, you would have been throwing your punches all over the place. Hey, buddy in a rush in this big ass diesel. He in a rush.
Then I thought you had a call with Cobra Kai or some shit like that.
Oh yeah, I did. Come on, Cobra Kai. You funny. That was not Cobra Kai though, but that's it's karate. So yeah, for y'all watching, yeah, man, I'm thinking about doing some little karate or some Muay Thai, something like that, bro. You know, something, you know, active, a little activity to do after work. Keep the stress levels low.
You don't want to go to boxing with me?
I know you're still doing it.
Yeah,
but I kind of want to do something different though. I didn't want to do, you know, that's kind of generic. You know, everybody always say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do boxing. Everybody don't always do karate or Muay Thai. That's a little different. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
It's not the conventional way.
All right.
Hey, all right. Hey, don't be doing all that now.
God almighty. Lord have mercy.
Watching all these diamonds dance.
But what I said.
What?
Yeah, but I always been boxing though, so I'm just gonna.
Hey, yeah, stick with what you like. Shit, you know. Yeah, but it's like a little free session. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just check it out, see if I like it or not. But I'm gonna do the same thing with Muay Thai and boxing as well. I was wondering, like, why is he not going? He got somebody in front of him. He was doing all that booing, all that rolling coal.